Hey everyone, just wanted to go ahead and do a quick little review video on the recent stateroom, inside stateroom that Elisa and I had the pleasure of enjoying on our latest cruise on the Disney Wish. It was an inside stateroom and we had an amazing time there. I'm going to go ahead and start the video here in just a second. Please feel free to drop down any comments you might have. I've already done a couple of videos contrasting the different room choices on Disney. Feel free to check the channel out for that information. I've already contrasted all those. So this was a quick little review, a quick little couple of words about our inside stateroom on the Disney Wish. So check it out. So this is more or less just going to be a room tour more than a review. I am going to say a couple of things about it, but here we go. This is 9557 on the Disney Wish interior stateroom. I'm going to pause it right here looking at the bed. The feeling, the artwork, the paintings, the pictures in the room are absolutely amazing. That bed right there was incredibly comfortable. I have heard and I've actually slept on a Carnival cruise bed. That's the one, of course, where they push two beds together and there's like a big old crease in the middle. No such thing on the Disney Wish. That bed was very comfortable, very soft. I am a soft bed type person and it was absolutely great. And I'm going to have some pictures here in a minute of the actual artwork that was in the room. It was amazing. So that's the bed and the artwork. And of course, you got your TV there on the left side. And speaking of artwork, there she is. We had I guess what you'd call it, another little pause here. I guess you'd call it a Tiana room, a Princess and the Frog room. And it was, again, it was absolutely amazing. It was beautiful. We enjoyed walking into the room and looking at the beautiful pictures every day. It was fantastic. So there's the couch. You can see right there in the corner. We got some stuff there. On the right of the right side, I got a picture coming up. You can see some outlets. There were no outlets on the left side. They had that universal outlet, that whatever. And here's a good video, good picture, a good shot of the actual artwork of the Princess and the Frog. It was stunning. Here's your TV, and I'm going to go ahead and pause it right here on the mirror. Very convenient for my wife. They had a big light around the mirror so she could kind of, get herself dolled up and whatnot. Pretty decent sized little dresser area here. I was able to do, camera work and upload videos to the hard drive, external hard drive and whatnot here. And there on the left side, you can see some of the material we got for the Castaway Club. Elisa seems to think that it was somewhat of a kind of a cheap deal. I think we're still silver as of this taping, hoping to be gold here before too long. But you can see there's a couple little outlets there also, which is convenient. All right, and so we're going to go ahead and open up this closet here, and you're going to see some hangers, of course, and then you're going to see some storage area there. Again, this is a room tour review, not so much. There's your safe. One small little review comment I'm going to put, and I'm going to probably make another video about this later. The storage was an issue in this room, or should I say lack of. All right, and go ahead and take a look. Here is the bathroom, the shower, and the tub, of course, the toilet, and the sink, all standard. Again, they had the light around the mirror to help you when you want to get set up. And so that's pretty much it for the video part. Next, I'm going to go ahead and put up, first off, one of the most important things, and that is of course, the door magnets. All right, real quick, we can't have, this video without showcasing our door magnets. As you can see right there, you've got the Wish in the middle. You got me being, of course, Goofy on the right, and Elisa, of course, on the left. And you see our big Wish magnet that we got specifically for this cruise, which is really, really good. Now I'm going to go ahead and put up once again the bed in the picture you already saw with the TV. All right, and a couple of shots of our crew there to the left on the TV. They all did a great job. Here's the outlet that I was telling you about. A close-up of the outlets. They only had outlets on the right side facing the bed, which was a sore point for my wife because she sleeps on the left side. And let's go ahead and glance at this one more time. This beautiful picture of Tiana on our wall. And let's go ahead and look at one more picture of the big artwork on the bed. Absolutely beautiful. And just for funsies, let's take a peek at one of our favorite little towel animals that they put up for Pirate Night. A cool looking little octopus. You know, the staff on the Disney Cruise Line, they never disappoint. Our stateroom person was absolutely amazing. And let's go ahead and close it out with an overall bathroom shot right there. Toilet and shower, very adequate. Plenty of room for you to take a shower and whatnot. And, you know, everything worked perfectly. Everything was clean as always. So there you have it. That's the room tour inside stateroom 9557. I'm not sure what deck it's on. I think it's toward the middle of the ship. Middle as far as height and as far as placement on the actual cruise ship. I hope you enjoyed the video, and we will see you again on the next one.